Assalamu alaikum class, welcome to all. Today we will discuss about chromosomal basis of inheritance, sex determination and sex linkage, recombination and chromosomal mapping in eukaryotes. So guys, first of all we will discuss about chromosomal basis of inheritance. On this slide you can easily see the definition or theory of chromosomal basis of inheritance, which is the chromosomal basis of inheritance is the idea that the genes are located on the chromosomes, as well as the idea that the behavior of chromosomes during meiosis account for Mendel's law of segregation and law of independent assortment. Next, we will discuss about law of segregation and law of independent assortment. At first, what is law of segregation? The law of segregation states that two alleles for each gene separate during gamete formation, while in the opposite, law of independent assortment states that alleles of genes on non-homologous chromosomes assort independently during gamete formation. So students, on this picture you can easily differentiate between law of segregation and law of independent assortment. On the left side, you can easily see law of segregation described here, while on the right side, law of segregation clearly described. You can easily differentiate in both law of segregation and law of independent assortment. On the next slide, interactions of genes is mentioned. What is interaction of genes? The phenomenon of two or more genes affecting the expressions of each other in the various way in the development of the single character of an organism is known as gene interaction. There are two types of gene interaction, which are allelic gene interaction and non-allelic gene interaction. What is the allelic gene interaction? The alleles of the same genes interact in such a way to produce the new character is known as allelic gene interaction. Example, incomplete dominance and codominance. These are examples of allelic gene interactions. And what is non-allelic gene interaction? In the non-allelic gene interactions, also known as interallelic interactions, uh, non-allelic or interallelic gene interactions also occur where the development of the single character is due to two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in various ways. Some examples for non-allelic gene interactions are given below, which are complementary gene interaction, epistasis, further divided into two parts like dominant and recessive epistasis. And third one is duplicating factor, and fourth one is supplementary gene interaction. On the next slide, chromosomal changes are explained due to which many disorders and diseases are caused. uh, for in definition, we can see a change in the amount or arrangement of genetic information may result in learning disability, developmental delay, and the health problems in a child. Chromosomal changes may be inherited from a parent. More commonly, chromosome changes happen either when the egg or sperm cells are made or around the time of conception. There are some disorders and diseases are given below, which are caused due to the chromosomal changes. First of all, we'll discuss aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is a disorder or disease, you can also say. Aneuploidy, the abnormal condition where one or more chromosomes of a normal set of chromosomes are missing or apparent or are present in a more than their usual number of copies. So next, monoploidy, euploidy, nelisomy, monosomy, trisomy, and tetrasomy. These are all the disorders which are caused by chromosomal changes. Monoploidy, the loss of an entire set of chromosomes, while in euploidy, an entire set of chromosomes is duplicated one or several times. The different conditions of aneuploidy are nelisomy, monosomy, trisomy, and tetrasomy. What is nelisomy? Nelisomy the loss of both pairs of homologous chromosomes. Individuals are called nelisomic and the chromosomal composition is 2n minus 2. While in monosomy, the loss of single chromosome, individuals are called monosomic and their chromosomal composition is 2n minus 1. Next one is trisomy, which defined as the gain of an extra copy of chromosome Individuals are called trisomic and their chromosomal composition is 2n plus 1. And the last one is tetrasomic, the gain of an extra pair of homologous chromosomes. The individuals are called tetrasomic and their chromosomal composition is 2n plus 2. On the next slide, we'll study about sex determination and sex linkage. Sex determination means how can we determine sexes, means how can we differentiate either sex is male or female. In definition, sex determination, we can say although this set of a humans is typically determined by a particular chromosomes received, sex is determined in different ways in many other organisms. For the determination of sexes, there are different ways or methods from which we can determine the sexes. There are three types like XX, XY type, XXXO type, ZW and ZZ type. These are the types for the sex determination. The first one type is sex, XX and X type, which used for the sex determination in mammals, in some Drosophila, insects, and some plants, etc. We will study, yes, the sex determination system is a sex determination. The XX and the XY sex determination system is a sex determination system used to classify many mammals, including humans, some insects, Drosophila, some snakes, some fish, guppies, and some plants like ginkgo tree. Females typically have two of the same kind of the sex chromosomes like XX, and they are called homogametic sex, while males typically have two different kinds of sex chromosomes like X and Y and are called heterogametic sexes. In humans, the presence of Y chromosome is responsible for triggering male development, and the absence of the Y chromosomes, the fetus will undergo female development. On this picture, you can see female Drosophila and the male Drosophila. Female Drosophila have homogametic sex and the male Drosophila have heterogametic sex and depend on the male. If the male gives the X chromosome, then the newborn will be female, and if the male give Y chromosome, then the newborn will be male. So next we'll discuss XS and XO type. In organisms like crickets, grasshoppers, and the other insects, the females is XX and the homogametic sex. The male is the heterogametic sex but only has one sex chromosome. The male in the XXO system produce the gametes with X and without O is sex chromosome. Below you can see sex XX and XO sex determination. This type you can easily see here. So the last one is ZW and ZZ type. The ZW sex determination system is a chromosomal system that determines the sex of springs in birds, some fish and crustaceans such as the giant river prawns, and some insects including butterflies and moths, and some reptiles including Komodo dragons. The letters of Z and W are used to distinguish this system from the XY sex determination system. In this system, the females have a pair of dissimilar ZW chromosomes and the males have two similar ZZ chromosomes. And next, what is sex linkage? Sex linkage describes the sex-specific patterns of inheritance and the presentation when the gene mutation is present on our sex chromosomes rather than the non-sex chromosomes. The inheritance and the presentation of all three differ depending on the sex of the both parent and the child. This makes them the characteristically different from the autosomal dominance and the recessiveness. Next, what is recombination and chromosomal mapping in eukaryotes? Recombination is a process by which the pieces of DNA are broken and recombined to produce new combinations of alleles. And the recombination process creates the genetically diversity at the level of the genes that reflects differences in the DNA sequences of different organisms. Chromosomal mapping in eukaryotes, there is a summary type points which are ordered tetrad analysis can be used to map the distance between a gene and the centromere. or unordered tetrad. Analysis can be used to map genes in the dihybrid crosses. Genes on the non-homologous chromosomes are sorted independently, while genes on the same chromosomes are physically linked and may be inherited together. On this picture, you can see two DNA are broken, and DNA A and DNA B, and which are combined by the DNA ligase and make recombinant DNA A plus B. This was all about my presentation. Thank you very much.